guys, it's Brie the Coupon Queen. Welcome back to my channel. I have my helper with me today and we're going couponing at Walgreens. If you're new here, we only use digital coupons in our phone to save 75% or more. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you two different transactions that I'm doing where we're gonna grab over $80 worth of products for about $25 out of pocket by using our rewards, rolling them, and stacking our deals. Below is a printable breakdown for you guys, as well as the link to my brand new holiday savings club. I'm super excited to launch this. In this savings club, this membership is going to include 2 weekly coaching calls to answer your questions and help you guys throughout your savings journey. We're gonna be saving $1,000 in the next 4 months so you can have a stress-free holiday season. It's also going to include my digital budget spreadsheet, my weekly done for you deals, everything you need to make couponing as easy and convenient as possible so we can hit this $1,000 goal. Plus, there's gonna be a ton of fun challenges and prizes as well, so that'll be below for you guys if you wanna get registered. Let's head inside Walgreens and take advantage of these amazing deals this week. The first deal we're gonna do is on Colgate toothpaste. There's a couple different promotions. I'm gonna do this one for the ones that are $5 each. Buy 2, get a $5 register reward. Plus we have a 4 off 2 digital coupon on the Walgreens app. So you're gonna clip that. You're gonna wind up paying $6 out of pocket, earning back a $5 register reward. Makes your final cost 50 cents a piece, which is an amazing deal for oral care. The next deal I'm gonna do is on Olay body wash. So this week they're on promotion for $7 and buy 3, earn an $8 register reward. Grab any 3. You either wanna grab 3 separate scents or all 3 of the same scent for the 5 off 3 digital coupon to come off. You'll wind up paying $16, earning back the $8 register reward. Makes your final cost $8 for 3 of them. This is what I'm gonna do for my first transaction. I'm not gonna use any paper boosters. I do have a spend 30, get 5, but I wanna use a bunch of Walgreens cash so I can lower my out-of-pocket cost. Keep in mind, yes, it's tempting to use all the paper boosters and digital boosters, but your top priority is a low out-of-pocket cost. So that's why I'm gonna go ahead and not use a paper booster on this transaction. Total is $31, but then I have $9 worth of digital coupons. I'm gonna wind up paying $22 out of pocket, but I'm gonna use $20 in Walgreens cash. I'll pay only $2 out of pocket. Then I'm still gonna earn back the register reward for this and the $8 register reward for the Olay that I'm gonna roll into my second transaction where I will be using some paper and digital boosters. So let's go check out those deals. The next deal we're gonna grab is on the L'Oreal Elvive. So they're on sale 2 for $10 this week, and we have 2 stacking coupons, a 4 off 2 manufacturer coupon and a 3 off 2 digital from the monthly savings book. So that's what you see right here. That's how you know it's a store coupon. So you can use them both together. Makes your final cost out of pocket $3 for 2 of them, which is an amazing stock up price on hair care. So I'm gonna add this to my second transaction. Next, we're gonna grab some Axe body wash. It's not tagged at my store, but when you scan it on the Walgreens app, you see it's buy 1, get 1 half off. And we have a 5 off 2 digital coupon that we're gonna use. We also have a good deal on diapers this week. So they're not the typical 2 for $21. They're buy 1, get 1 half off. So they are a little bit more expensive, but it's still better than paying full price. So if you need to stock up, they're buy 1, get 1 half off. Buy 2, get a $4 register reward when you do the deal in store. So if you grab the Swaddlers, 2 of them is gonna be $23.98. We have a 3 off 2 digital coupon, so you'll pay $20.98. Earn back the $4 register reward. Makes your final cost $16.98 for 2 packs. Next, we have a great deal that's a little different this week for the household products. They're buy 4, get a $2 register reward, but there's a bunch of different ones included. So this is the way that I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna grab one of these large Dawns. There is a $2 digital coupon. This was a For You coupon from like a week or 2 ago, so definitely check, see if you clipped it. Next, I'm gonna grab a Dawn Power Wash for $4.99. Everyone should have this $2 off 1 digital coupon. Then we're gonna grab one of these Gain fabric softeners here on sale for $5.49 with a $1.50 digital coupon. And the last product we're gonna grab is this Downy Rinse and Refresh. The trial size is included and there is another $1.50 digital coupon. Okay, so these are all 4 products that you're gonna go ahead and grab. Total is gonna be $21.96. After all of the coupons come off though, you'll pay $14.96. Then you're gonna earn back the $2 register reward, makes it $12.96 for all 4 or $3.24 a piece. Two more deals that I personally think are really good deals that I like to stock up on when they're on sale is on the garbage bags. These work really nice for your bathroom. I also use one for the larger trash can that I have in my son's room for his diapers. So we use the medium for that, the small work for the other one, but these are scented, which is really nice. Or you can get, these which are citrus scented. This week they're on sale, buy one, get two free, and they're $4.99 on sale. So it's a really good price and you don't need any coupons. Another deal you can grab is on the Glade. So the 2 counts are on sale this week for $5.49, and we do have a $2 off one digital coupon. Another good deal if you need to stock up on paper products is on the Angel Soft and the Quilted Northern. Dixie and Brawny are included as well. They're on sale for $6.99. Buy 2, earn a $3 register reward. So what you can do is grab a 9 rolls of Angel Soft and clip the $1 off one digital coupon. Next, grab a Quilted Northern for $6.99 and clip the separate $1 digital coupon. Total for these two is $13.98, but you have $2 in digital coupons. You'll pay $11.98. You can pay with Walgreens cash or register rewards to lower your out-of-pocket cost. Then you're gonna earn back the $3 register reward. Makes your final cost $8.98 for both or $4.49 per pack. Not a bad deal. We also have the absolute best stock up price on cereal this week. The only time I buy cereal is if it's 88 cents. We're gonna grab any 2 of the General Mills. My stepdaughter loves General Mills Cinnamon Toast Crunch, so we're gonna grab 2 of these. We have a $1 off 2 digital coupon, so you'll pay $2.76 out of pocket. Then we have an Ibotta rebate for 50 cents cash back each. Makes your final cost $1.76 for 2 or 88 cents a piece. All right, we're back in from Walgreens. I did have one register reward not print, and it was the one for the buy 4, get a $2 register reward. It was only $2 though, so not a big deal. I'm gonna call customer service at home, and that way I can get that back in Walgreens cash. Because the Catalina support, last time I tried it, it was just a nightmare, so we're not doing that again. So what I did is, in my first transaction, I grabbed the Olay and the Colgate. My digital coupons came off. I rolled the $20 in Walgreens cash like I mentioned, paid $3.47 out of pocket. Then I earned back both of the register rewards that I was supposed to. So now I have a bunch of register rewards to use to lower my out-of-pocket cost in my second transaction. So we're rolling our rewards. So that's what I'm gonna be teaching you guys in the very first live call that we're gonna be doing. The Holiday Savings Club starts August 1st. So we have a full 4 months to save up that money for the Christmas season, for holiday gifts and all that kind of stuff. So the first thing that is so important is I'm gonna be teaching you guys deal stacking and rolling your rewards in the very first live call that we're gonna be doing. So definitely make sure you mark your calendars, join the program, and that way you guys can participate. The next deal I wound up doing, I used a spend 35, get 7 paper booster. So because I'm using the paper booster, I'm not using any Walgreens cash. I'm stacking that with this week's digital booster for spend 45, get $10 in Walgreens cash. Now it says every time you spend, so I'm thinking that you can use that digital booster multiple times this week. I'm not sure. I'm not going to be doing it multiple times. I'm only going to do it once, but definitely let us know in the comments if you do multiple transactions using that and if you get the Walgreens cash back each time. So in this transaction, I did the Axe, I did the General Mills, I did the Elvive, the Dawn, the Downy, and the Glade, as well as the Gain, and then the second Axe here. Here's the point booster that I used. Here's the 2 register rewards I earned from the first transaction. Here's all the digital coupons. I think everything came off. Honestly, I didn't go through one by one and check. Then I paid the $21.65 out of pocket. And I earned back $17.50 in Walgreens cash. And then, like I said, that $2 register reward for the buy 4 did not print, so I do have to call customer service for that. Then submit to Ibotta for $1 back on the General Mills. Now, when I was putting together my deals last night, there was a $4 cashback offer on 2 for the Olay, which I was really excited about, which was gonna make this haul even better. And then this morning, when I was in store, that's why you wanna make sure that you're always scanning the products on the app to make sure that the rebate is still there. The rebate's gone. So I don't know what happened with that, but that would have been amazing. Definitely check. Maybe it's still around for you. I'm not really sure, but that would give you an extra $4 cash back. We always love the cash back. If you guys have any questions or anything, let me know in the comments below. Let's head home. We're going to enter everything into our digital budget spreadsheet. I'll let you guys know exactly where everything goes. And that way we can see what our cash cost is, what our net cost is, and how much we saved for this month. I have one more haul that I'm gonna do. We've gotta make sure that we're within our budget. So this is my digital budget spreadsheet for July. This is the very last week. If you guys want to get this downloaded as well, it will be included in the Holiday Savings Club. So when you join that, you're going to get all of this on Friday. So you can start fresh on August 1st when we get started. If you're not interested in saving $1,000 for the holidays, then what you can do is just go to this website here and you can just grab the digital budget spreadsheet if you want. So what we're going to do is scroll down. We're going to do a new day. So we put the date. Of course, we went to Walgreens. So I break it up per transaction is what I do for the lines. So the first line is retail price. First transaction was $31. Out of pocket, I paid $3.49, how much you swiped your card for, including taxes. Rewards, I used $20 in Walgreens cash, no gift cards. Got back, no cash back. And then rewards earned was $13. Then my next transaction was $51.69 of retail value. My out-of-pocket was $21.65. I used $13 in rewards, no gift cards. Total cash back was $1.20 from Ibotta. And then rewards earned was $19.50. So my first transaction, I saved 88%. My second transaction, I saved 60%. That makes my overall savings for July 80.03%. So when I tell you guys, you can save 75% or more every single month. I breathe it and live it myself. I share this with you guys just so you know. Over here, very important though, you wanna look at, okay, cost breakdown, how much budget do you have remaining for the month? So for the entire rest of the month, I can only spend $4.26 out of pocket to make sure that I stick to my budget. That is the most important part. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. If you're not subscribed to my channel yet, I would love to have you. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video, or I'll see you in the Holiday Savings Club. Bye.